Hello, Miss. My name is Roberto Armijo Chiguano. My topic giving about his problem. My presentation in the exam oral course 347. The Hayes problem that I presentation is H. H is a pain or discomfort in the hip, scalp, or neck. Serious cause of HF are rare in the young people. Cause the most common type of H is attention. H is a cause big muscular tension in the shoulder, scalp, or neck. And hug. And tension H might be related to stress, depression, anxiety, heart trauma, or holding the head and neck in an abnormal position. Consequence: either the usual word or people in the education or professional are fear on the patient. My recommendation: I recommend taking a fear. Additional, you should sleep an adequate time, and I think should eat healthy. You shouldn't eat funk and you shouldn't do accumulate house to avoid stress. If the pain increases, you may visit a doctor. Finish the presentation. Thank you, Miss. Goodbye.